November 2012. This is the Reeves Umnumzaan. This one was born October 10th, 2012. Purchased from the Knife Center. And I got exactly what I wanted. Kevin at the Knife Center went and inspected it, checked the born on date. Great communication, fast shipping, the Knife Center. So this is a Reeves Umnumzaan. This is the latest iteration of this knife. You'll see some differences if you look at some of the earlier videos about the Reeves Umnumzaan. You'll see that it has a smaller pivot head, which I'm happy about because personally I didn't much care for the other one. They all the Umnumzaans have the over travel lock disc on it. And now it has his logo in the middle, which I think is a lot more attractive than not having it. And I know some guys don't really like it, but I don't know, to me it's purposeful. Not that, I mean, I haven't ever heard of anybody hyperextending an integral lock unless you're just foolish about handling your knife. The other difference you're going to see on this knife compared to the older ones is the jimping. The jimping is not very aggressive. It's somewhat smooth. But nonetheless, it's still there. Just a beautiful, beautiful knife. A perfect tactical folder. Has a traction plan. This isn't so great, but I don't know how necessary that is. It has this thumb ramp up here, or thumb pad. Help you control it. It has a very nice tip on it. And this blade is made for stabbing with that somewhat sharpened swedge. You know, one thing about a tactical folder, you have a tactical folder, you have an everything knife. You have an everything knife, and this is no doubt an everything knife. So, and this one happens to be an engineering marvel to me because here you go, 2 points of contact holding this knife together. It has a ceramic disc detent. And the lock system on the blade depends on the scales. So pretty neat feat of engineering right here. And it feels solid and it is smooth. One thing I will tell you is that when I got this, I did have to adjust the pivots. Wasn't real happy about that. But you take your time and you can still get it to center. And it's perfectly centered. And it is smooth. It takes a little bit of practice flicking this knife because you're going up instead of like out like that. But beautiful, beautiful, beautiful knife. Feat of engineering, and it is quality. And unless you have one, you're not going to get it. You're just not going to understand. I didn't understand until I got it. I really didn't. But to own one is to know that you really don't need anything else. This guy really knows how to put a knife together. Seriously. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. If you've had any integral lock knives, you're going to look at that lock bar and go, uh-oh. But I will show you something. On the bottom of the tang, you can see where the lockup is actually. There it is. It's about a third. It's about a third. And when you look at the lock bar, it looks like it's 60%. But I have confidence in Reeves and his ability to engineer, along with the partnerships he made with the design of this particular knife. Great example of what's to come in the future with folding knives. Trying new things. I love it. Absolutely beautiful. So this is it. This is the latest rendition, example, iteration of the Chris Reeves Umnumzaan. And I'm very, very pleased. So, questions, comments? Bye.